Hello GCSE students, you have got exams coming up, and if you are performing at grade 4 or grade 5 level and you want to get grade 9s, then please watch this video. I am going to give you few tips which can help you in getting grade 9s in your GCSEs. Number one tip, which is very important, focus on your mark scheme specification, right? So work on your mark scheme. When you're doing the practice papers, make sure you follow the mark scheme. No matter how good you know about the topic, how perfect you are about the topic, but follow the mark scheme. You need to know what the examiner wants you to write. Number two thing, which is very important, whenever you are doing practice papers, make sure you are doing them in timed condition, right? Proper exam condition. It means no chewing gums, right? There should not be any other distractions like mobile phone or anything else. No noise around you. Total exam condition. So which is extremely important. Third thing, which is very important, is you must make your flashcards according to the mark scheme requirement, right? The exam requirement. Don't just make marks, your flashcard just from your own point of view. Make your flashcards according to the requirement of the examiner, what the examiner wants you to write in the exam, right? Another thing which is very important, and it will help you in getting grade 9 is mainly focus on your weak points. Your weak points, whatever the topics you get stuck with, focus on those ones, right? Another thing which is called 5 minutes rule. Sorry, 5 second rule. 5 second rule is, if you have a plan to study and something else is happening, for example, you are watching TV or something. So if you have a plan to start studying at 4 p.m., so just leave it. Within 5 seconds, leave this place and straight away start practicing for your exam. That's very important. Use whenever you are using flashcards, so make sure use them over and over again. There are different apps available to make your own flashcard. Use them as well. One of the very popular flashcard app is called Anki. Use that one as well. And also you need to rewrite your notes. This is very important. Whatever the notes you have made, try to rewrite them, do them again and again. And also study in short bursts, right? Maybe you can study for 40 minutes, intense study, then you can take a break for 10 minutes, then another 40 minutes, then take a break for 10 minutes. Short bursts, that's very popular, and that's going to help you in getting grade 9s in your exams, right? And another thing is watch, you can go on YouTube and you can watch exam videos, right? Exam videos can help you in getting top grades as well. So there are exams videos available on YouTube. Focus on them as well. And main thing which is very powerful is you need to use